As expected, Xiaomi unveiled its newest Redmi K series phones in China today, and they are equipped with some impressive specs. Though they look alike, they also bring several key differences. Xiaomi has released the Redmi K100 Pro and K100 Pro Max smartphones equipped with a powerful Snapdragon processor, an OLED display with the highest refresh rate, a huge megapixel camera, and the largest battery. Welcome to Science and Knowledge, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well to get the latest updates for our future videos. Xiaomi has officially unveiled the new generation of its high-end Redmi K100 Pro and Redmi K100 Pro Max smartphones in the Chinese market. The new lineup boasts comprehensive improvements, from hardware specs including a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and a record-breaking 185Hz display refresh rate to Jinshajiang battery technology with a maximum capacity of up to a 9070 mAh cell, all while maintaining a slim profile of less than 8.6 mm. The Redmi K100 Pro is equipped with a specially optimized Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5V series processor. It also includes a dedicated D2 graphics chip developed by Redmi and a T1 Plus signal enhancement chip. A 5150 nm2 stone cooling system helps manage temperatures, while the Redmi K100 Pro Max is equipped with the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. It also features an advanced ice-based cooling system with an area of up to 6300 mm, ensuring continuous operation at maximum performance. Additionally, both devices use LPDDR5X RAM, standard combined with ultra-fast UFS 4.1 internal storage, optimizing read and write speeds and ensuring instant app launches. Using a flat OLED panel made of high-quality M11 luminescent material, the Redmi K100 Pro series display sets a new standard in the smartphone market. Both devices boast a maximum screen brightness of 2200 nits and a refresh rate of up to 185 Hz. In terms of display size, the Redmi K100 Pro has a 6.59-inch screen with a resolution of 2510 by 1156 pixels. Meanwhile, the Pro Max version has a larger 6.9-inch display with a resolution of 2608 by 1200 pixels. Redmi K100 Pro has a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera on the back, and a 32-megapixel front camera for selfies. While the Redmi K100 Pro Max is upgraded to a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. The standard Pro version features an 8580 mAh battery with a 26% silicon content. The Pro Max version, on the other hand, boasts a 9070 mAh battery with a 16% silicon content. Both devices support 100-watt fast-wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The Redmi K100 Pro starts at 3699 Chinese yuan for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage version. The 16GB RAM and 512GB storage configuration costs 4699 Chinese yuan. The Redmi K100 Pro Max starts at 4499 Chinese yuan for the version with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The most expensive version with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage costs at 59,999 Chinese yuan. For more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. For our future videos, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well.